Hello, my name is Sadie. I'm the educator on the orthopedic unit at St. Cloud Hospital. Welcome to online total joint class. Thank you for choosing CentraCare for your joint replacement. This video contains information about what to expect along the road to recovery and a more active life. As a reminder, your care team may change and add recommendations to personalize your care. As you begin your joint replacement journey, feel confident in your care. Experienced teams of healthcare professionals from CentraCare provide orthopedic care to numerous communities in central, west central, and southwestern Minnesota. They use the latest technology available to focus on your ultimate goals. Your guide to successful surgery and recovery begins with education. This starts with attending total joint class. Attending a joint replacement class or watching virtually is highly recommended before surgery. This class helps reduce anxiety and covers what to expect during and after surgery. It also improves your outcomes, decreases length of stay, and complications. Class and downloadable materials is available on CentraCare.com by searching online total joint class. In this guide, you will notice areas to make notes for follow-up appointments. It's important to bring this guide with you to use it as a reference and make notes that will be helpful for you and your caregiver. Joint replacement surgery removes damaged bone and replaces it with new prosthetic joint made of metal, ceramic, and wear-resistant plastic. These new parts move and glide like a normal joint.